Alright, so nandito ulit tayo sa booth ng CF Moto and yan, as you can see, ang dami naghihintay. So unveiling na nung kanilang pinakabagong offering, which is yung 450 MT, an adventure bike. Alright, so nandito ulit tayo sa booth ng CF Moto and yan, as you can see, ang dami naghihintay. So unveiling na nung kanilang pinakabagong offering, which is yung 450 MT, an adventure bike. And yan din actually yung ipinunta natin dito. Yan. So sobrang excited na ng lahat and by 5 PM yan, tatanggalin na yung kortina ng 450 MT. And first time natin masisilayan yan dito sa CF Moto booth sa Makina Moto Show.
In 10 minutes, once again, we're inviting everybody to the CF Moto booth as we are all set to launch something very special in about 10 minutes.
Again!
Nandito si Trip de Negro.
Yan, so unveiling na nung
450 MT, alas 5, 10 minutes na lang. Yan, unveil na ang bagong adventure bike ng CF Moto, ang 450 MT. Let's go!
Let's go!
Thank you, bro. Thank you, brother. Dito lang ako, dito lang ako.
Welcome to the CF Moto booth right here at the Makina Moto Show 2024. Of course, my name is Sam YJ. I'm going to be your host. I'm sure lahat kayo excited na sa launch ng CF Moto this after. Excited na ba kayo?
Yes!
Gusto niyo makita?
Yes!
Ano gusto niyo makita? Yan! Kaya ako kinuha nun dito para sa tola, no? Ako nag-provide ng kumot, no? Para sa mga motor sa likod. But seriously, we got great stuff in store for you today. The latest and hottest offerings from CF Moto. To kick things off, we are going to revisit a momentous event that took place just last month, no? Sa global launch ng 450 MT in the breathtaking landscapes of El Nido, Palawan. If I'm not mistaken, it was the first for the Philippines to host a global launch of a new CF Moto model. Now, CF Moto exhibitors and various motoring media from all around the world flew in sa Pilipinas sa El Nido just to, of course, witness the launch of the 450 MT. But before that, let's first talk about the impressive lineup here at the CF Moto booth. This Makina Moto Show 2024. Ang daming pwede makita. Kung hindi nyo pa naiikot, importante maikot nyo at makita lahat ng models ng CF Moto. On display, we have the 450, 700, and 800cc models along with CF Moto's latest additions, which are commitments to adventure in every form. Then after we're about to introduce not one, but two variants of our beloved Papio XO. Ito yun, no? Yan, itong dalawa. Yan yung ating Papio XO. Nandyan siya. The Papio Racer and the Papio Trail. So pwede nyo siya i-check out, no? Super exciting bikes. We have them on display. Yung Papio X done is done by none other than a good friend of mine from 30 Lucky Monkeys in Dante Quezon, and his team behind the beautiful creation. So make sure you check them out. Take as many photos as you want. And the newly married Zach is also with us. Ayan, may gas na. May gas si Zach na. Okay, and of course for those who crave excitement and four wheels, sa likod naman, no? If you haven't checked it out, sa likod ng box na to, makikita nyo yung ating CF Moto Z-Force 950 Sport R. And that's waiting for you guys with enough space to fit 4 people. It's perfect for bringing along your friends or family on your next off-road escapade. And we're, of course, diving headfirst in the world of off-road excitement. CF Moto as always. Right now, your lineup from the Electrify CX2 electric dirt bike to the C-Force 110 design for our young adventurers, CF Moto keeps true to its motto to experiencing more together. Now, we move on to our main highlight, our two CF Moto models, the 450 SRS and the 450 MT. Now the 450 SRS comes in two colors, the Zircon Blacks and the Tundra Gray. And the most noticeable difference of this model from the previous 450 SR, of course, is number one, the new single swing arm, and number two, the redesigned front wings now comes with a layered hollow design. At syempre, ang ating hidden exhaust. Now, in terms of performance, CF Moto has made the following improvements. The rear brake has been upgraded from a 220mm single disc single piston to a 240 single disc dual piston, in addition additional traction control, and the 37mm upside down front suspension has been upgraded to adjust dampening, allowing for a personalized riding experience. And of course, the price of the 450 SRS is 318,900 pesos. And next up is the model we've all been waiting for. The bike that has been making so much noise, not just in the Philippines, but all over the world. Kung hindi nyo pa nakikita sa social media nyo, on TikTok, on Facebook, nako, you have been missing out. Because nakita natin a few weeks ago how much of an impact it made in the motoring world. And I'm talking about the 450 MT. Now before we unveil the 450 MT, we want to thank our media partners for allowing us to use their footage. Makina, C Magazine, Visor Moto Deal, and Aaron Palabia. Now, before we meet our bikes at makita natin in the flesh, I'm sure excited kayo. Ako mismo na mahilig sa kumot, excited na akong tanggalin ang mga kumot na to. Pero bago magtanggalan ng kumot, we have a very special video for all of you guys. Ladies and gentlemen, let's keep our eyes on the screen and let's all watch this.
The much-awaited CF Moto 450 MT. It strikes a perfect balance between on-road and off-road capability. It's like I'm riding a dirt bike with adventure ride comfort. Now you know what? It might be the most important adventure bike right now for the whole industry. As more and more riders take up adventure riding, what adventure riders look for is a bike that has enough power, smoothness, the traction, and it doesn't cost so much that you're gonna feel so bad when you're banging it up on the trail. I don't think it's a bike I outgrow quickly if I do a lot of off-roading. This is simply one of the best for the year. Easy to use, price is reasonable. You're gonna have a lot of fun with this one. When you consider everything for 328,900 pesos, this is a bargain deal. I would buy this with confidence. CF Moto nailed it with the 450 MT. The best thing I can say is that I had so much fun going out there, just roughing it out. It's light and para passions talaga. Instantly felt like a better off-road rider when I was in the 450 MT. No bike in this class offers everything on paper that the 450 MT does. It's not just good for an entry-level bike. It's a great bike, full stop. CF Moto may very well have hit a home run with the 450 MT.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, the moment we've all been waiting for. I'm sure excited na kayo. We have two, of course, of our very, very special guests, Papi Zach and Miss Jet, who will help us unveil the 450 MT. Now, before magkatanggalan ng kumot, we just want you to know, no, na ilabas nyo mga camera nyo. Make sure na meron kayong memory, ha, para mag-videohan nyo to. Tandaan nyo, ha, April 29, Monday, no, i-release na ang first few units, no? So tatandaan nyo, may memory dapat kayo, i-videohan nyo pagtanggal ng kumot at mag-reserve na kayo, ha? By April 29, dapat nandyan na yung mga unit nyo. So ladies and gentlemen, here we go, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, please welcome, of course, those 450 MT! Tatawin muna ako, para makapicture na ng ayos. We're going to give you guys mga 10 seconds to take as many photos as you want, no, of the 450 MT. Now, if you guys are wondering, no, ano yung difference? Explain ko sa inyo, no? Of course, this is the fully accessorized 450 MT. Of course, got the crash bars going on here, no? We have some panniers also going on, so if you guys are really going to go on your long ride, kunyari, no? There we go. Oh, the windscreen is also part of it, yeah? Some of the few accessories that you can add on to your 450 MT. Bakit kung gusto mo kaganyan, no? Siyempre,
Shit, nakakaputang ina yung 328 peso SRD nito.
Madadala, no? Which is very capable of carrying and taking you wherever you need to go, both on and off-road. Now this right here is the stock version of the 450 MT. Now this is the bare unit, as you can see. So you guys enjoy, take as many photos, no? But feel free, of course, to get your units and accessorize as you please, making it your own adventure bike. And of course, the perfect ride is waiting for you. Now, if you got any questions, diba? You want to reserve your units, baka magkaubusan, ano na ba natitira? Dalawa na lang, kanina natitira, diba? Baka magkaubusan, no? Binili ko pa yung isa. Kita mo, yung TF ko, abunato pa ako. Okay, our booth is right there. Now, if you guys have any questions, you want to know more about the specs, the displacement, about the suspension, the braking system, please feel free to visit the booth right there, and we're going to be more than happy to answer all of your questions. Let's make sure you approach anybody wearing the CF Moto uniform. On that note, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being here. Hope you guys enjoyed the launch. I'm going to leave you to it. Take your photos and enjoy the 450 MT.
Dito lang yung malapit. Hindi makatulog mamaya.
Okay na yung nakita ako. Pero makikita. Hintayin natin kung magkano lang.
Wala yung pressure. Hindi naman yung display na.